Hi, and welcome to the second smoothie that's gonna help you to increase your energy levels, increase your well-being, and just feel great. Mental clarity, focus, you name it. Okay, I just came back from running, so yeah, this is what I have after a good trip. Just gotta remember to wash my hands before we get going with food here. So yeah, I'll show you how to make that smoothie and what ingredients I put in. There'll be in the description below, there'll be a how much I use of everything, but you can also follow along and you'll see. This smoothie here is still based on bananas, and you will have, so we got organic bananas here, and then my peanut butter, got it here, organic peanut butter. Actually, this one I bought by mistake. There's palm oil in it. I don't suggest that you buy that, so don't make my mistake. Buy peanut butter that's toasted, but just clean with a little bit of salt in it. Good. Okay, we got a little preparation to do, because every time I have peanut butter, I really enjoy to add some ginger with it. So I'm just gonna peel that off. See, good chunk here, like that. There we go. Good chunk of ginger. Take the peel off. And I especially enjoy this smoothie because it has maca root in it. Maca root is a great adaptogen which goes in and stabilizes and balances the hormones, which I enjoy. Balance always leads to more wellness, more bliss and well-being. So there we go. With the ginger here, there's long lines of strings in ginger. So to not have that in your smoothie, I like to cut them. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can probably see it a little bit there, these, right? So if I don't cut it, they will be in my smoothie, and I don't want that. So I cut it, and here we go. I'll take this one up. So let's put everything in. 2 or 3 bananas. There we go. Bio-organic. We don't want too much pesticides in our food. And if this is the first time you follow along with my videos, you know that I enjoy very simple foods, easy to make, doesn't take long, right? So that's just the way to go. And this one is highly inflammatory, so it boosts my immune system. And the way I do that is, first we're gonna add some oat milk. There we go. This is about half a liter of smoothie. It doesn't matter if the peanut butter is crunched or smooth. Just take a good spoon here. That's a little bit too much. There we go. And I'll need, so banana is great in K vitamins, helps also to ease my digestion. The peanut butter here has a lot of protein in it and some good fatty acids. It's high in omega-6 acids, fatty acids, and also 9, not so much omega-3, so bear that in mind. Okay, let's get to it. First one I have here, this is the maca root, and you can't really tell on the, so if it's the first time you have maca root, and I'll show you here how it looks like. You can probably see, right? There's different kinds of maca root, and start out if it's the first time with just about 2 or 3, 4 grams a day, and then you can increase as you like. This is the adaptogen. This gives a great boost to your hormones by balancing them out, right? It doesn't need to have much more of one or the other. So balance is the key. It's also going to increase your libido, your sex drive. So that energy, you would like to learn how to handle that. There we go for the highly inflammatory, and that will be my turmeric. Look at that potent yellow, orange color. Let's put that in. I take 2 teaspoons of that. Maca root I put in about maybe 9-10 grams of that. That was my turmeric, and every time I have turmeric, I remember that I need pepper. You know, like pepper is not going to taste that good, and you're right. But it's so little. It's just like a pinch on. There we go. On your. If you have like real pepper that's already grinded, it's just like a pinch of. That's a knife. Pinch of a knife, right? Just a tip here to put in. It's because what I really want for my turmeric is curcumin, but my digestion is not that strong to have it to absorb it. But if you put pepper in, science has shown, or tests has shown, that you'll absorb 20 times more than if you don't. So, and I like to get all out of my food. Honey helps with improving my digestion as well. Plus honey is really good, healthy for you. Okay, here we go. Put some of that in. Now I'm also adding to this smoothie something called collagen. I'm not even sure I pronounced that correctly, but collagen is something you can also have from bone broth, or you can have it as a powder form. And it looks like that's the wrong bag. Just a second. Looks like this white powder. And again, I'll have about 5 to 10 grams of that. Looks like this. And it's really potent for giving a very specific protein that helps to build your bones, your skin, your nails, teeth. And for me personally, what I do is I have a foot here, you can tell, and that one has been broken off. So that was not planned. So if you can see the foot here, and my ligaments are pretty sore when I run a lot. And when I have this, helps to increase the strength of my ligaments quickly. I think that's about all. We got banana, we got our peanut butter. I love peanut butter. Oh, one more thing that I just made to make it even better is ice cubes. There we go. Okay, ice cubes. This this is just really great to have a cold smoothie. If you want to, what you can do is you can also take the bananas, peel them, and put them in the refrigerator in a box or a plastic bag or something. Or you can add ice cubes. There we go. And then you want to turn your volume down right now because this is going to make some noise. Again, look, the way I do it is I want all my stuff as close to the blades as possible, right? So if your blades are like upside down and you put things in, then you want to start with putting in the ice cubes, then the powders, then you want to fill in the bananas, and then you want to fill in the juice, and then you blend. Okay, so let's make some noise. There we go. And we can clean up as we put this in, so let's do that. go. One smoothie ready. And yeah, let's pour it up. And it's nice and cool, right? Because of the ice cubes. Beautiful yellow color. If you're not into Maca Root and Collagen and you want to see my other smoothie, there'll be a link at the end of the video here or on top as you watch this one. With spirulina and a lot of other stuff. Okay, Maca Root, great for healing if you're having a lot of inflammation in your body, if you're doing a lot of exercise. Yummy, and it tastes great. Okay, of course there's a lot of other ingredients we can put in. This is just the base. I like it like that. If you have any comments or you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And if you have any questions, maybe you're having difficulties, something in your stomach or similar, well, just leave that in the comments below and I will see to answer that. Great. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great life, have a great day, and stay active.